Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Court Kautilyan. So the case that we would be hearing in story form today is Anurag Vijay Kumar Goel versus State of Maharashtra and Anr. Before starting the story, I would request you to share my videos with your close ones, relatives, friends, and also it is very important that you go to my comment section and try to read the entire judgment so that you understand what has been the journey of the case. So let me start. Once upon a time, a couple, Anurag and his wife, were in a marriage that soon turned into a battlefield. The relationship soured and serious allegations were made by the wife. She accused Anurag of cruelty, harassment, dowry demands, and even threatening her with acid attacks. She also filed a case under Section 498A of the IPC, which says that cruelty to a woman by her husband or his relatives and Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act. They tried to make peace. In 2022, both parties sat across the table and signed a settlement agreement. As part of this, Anurag paid a substantial amount to his wife and she agreed to withdraw all the criminal cases filed against him. There was a flicker of hope, but it didn't last. Despite the agreement, the wife didn't withdraw the criminal cases. Anurag felt betrayed and harassed, and so he knocked on the doors of the Bombay High Court in 2024. He argued that he had upheld his part of the deal but was still being dragged into court for crimes he didn't commit. The Bombay High Court acknowledged the complexity of the case. It noted that the wife had backed out of her commitment in the settlement. But the court didn't immediately quash the criminal cases. It maintained that the issues needed deeper review. Now, the Supreme Court steps in. By August 2025, the matter reached the Supreme Court of India. The Apex Court took a broader view. It observed that the marriage was irretrievably broken. The criminal cases appeared to be abuse of the legal process, especially since a settlement was signed. Continuing legal battles would only cause more mental agony to both sides, especially when children were involved. Invoking its special powers under Article 142 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court dissolved the marriage permanently, quashed the criminal proceedings, giving Anurag relief, considered the well-being of their autistic child, reminding both parties of their responsibilities, clarified that alimony received from an earlier marriage by either party cannot influence claims or obligations in a second one. So what is the moral of the story? This case shows how legal settlements must be honored or they can backfire. The Supreme Court can step in to ensure justice beyond strict legal procedures. Misusing protective laws can lead to serious consequences. At the heart of every judgment, the courts seek fairness, dignity, and final closure. I hope you liked my video. And with this, I would also again request you to go to my comment section and go through the entire journey of the case. This is very important. Moreover, I'll make a similar video in Hindi. So if you have friends or relatives who would be more comfortable in listening to this case in Hindi form, in Hindi language, you can just forward them that video also. So with this, I hope you'd subscribe to my channel Court Kautilyan and you'd also recommend my channel to your close ones. Thank you.